This right here is the Viltrox Sprite 15C LED panel light, and I'm gonna tell you 3 reasons to like this light. But before that, let me show you first what comes with the package. Alright, so the first reason to like this light is it has 2 power options. First option is through the NPF battery that comes with it, which gives you 2 hours of usage. And if you don't have an NPF battery charger, you don't have to worry because this battery alone is rechargeable through a USB-C cable. And the second option is through a USB-C cable. Moving on to the second reason, for its size and portability, this light is actually very strong. And to prove that, I'm going to turn off my studio light here and just use the Sprite 15C as my key light without changing the camera settings. This is with my studio light turned off. Now I'm going to turn on the Sprite 15C. So as you see right now, I'm at 50%. And it's properly exposing my face, and it's even a little bit overexposed, so let's adjust it real quick. So right now I have the light set at 40% because at 30% it was a bit underexposed, so that's how strong this light is. Alright, down to the last reason to like this light is it is app controlled. So this light comes in with several modes such as CCT, HSL, RGBW, color picker, and it also comes with several lighting effects. And you can control this through the knobs and buttons at the back of the light. But you can also use the WeLight Pro app to fully control the light's features. So those are the 3 reasons to like this light, and if you're interested to get one, you can check out the links in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.